Most men don't realize a woman has already left long before she actually walks away. She doesn't slam the door, she doesn't scream, she doesn't even argue anymore. She just stops. Stops caring, stops reacting, stops investing. And by the time you finally notice something is wrong, she has already been emotionally gone for months. That's the part most men never understand. Because when a woman decides to leave emotionally, it rarely happens in one dramatic moment. It happens slowly, quietly, piece by piece. And today, I'm going to show you the 5 signs she's already emotionally checked out. Signs most men completely miss until it's too late. Pay attention, because once you see these signs, you can't unsee them. Why this matters. Here's what most men get wrong about relationships. They believe the biggest threat to their relationship is another man, a betrayal, a huge argument. But that's not what destroys most relationships. The real threat is indifference. Because when a woman stops feeling, the relationship is already dying. And here's the dangerous part. She doesn't announce it. She doesn't sit you down and say, "Hey, I'm slowly losing feelings for you." Instead, she protects herself quietly, one small withdrawal at a time. She gives a little less attention, a little less patience, a little less emotional energy, until one day, there's nothing left. And the tragedy is that most men mistake her silence for peace. They think, we haven't argued in weeks, things must finally be good. But silence doesn't always mean harmony. Sometimes silence means she has simply stopped fighting for something she no longer believes in. And when that happens, the relationship may look stable on the surface, but emotionally, it's already over. Sign 1. She stops initiating. The first sign is subtle, and it's the one most men overlook. She stops initiating. She used to text you first. She used to ask how your day was. She used to send random messages just to make you smile. She used to suggest plans for the weekend. Sometimes she would reach out for no reason at all, just because she wanted to feel close to you. But now something changes. She still replies, she still answers your messages, but she no longer reaches for you. And there is a massive difference between a woman who responds and a woman who wants to talk to you. Technically, the conversation still exists, but emotionally, the energy behind it is gone. A woman who is emotionally invested looks for opportunities to connect with you. She creates them. But when she checks out, connection becomes a chore. And that's when communication slowly shifts from enthusiasm to obligation. If you're always the one starting the conversation, that might not mean she's busy. It might mean she's slowly letting go. Sign 2. Her emotional reactions disappear. When a woman truly cares about you, she reacts. She gets excited when something good happens to you. She gets frustrated when you become distant. She gets hurt when you say something careless. She might even get jealous sometimes. That emotional range, that's investment. But the second sign she's emotionally checked out is when all of that disappears. Suddenly, her emotional responses become flat. You cancel plans, and she simply says, "Okay." You forget something important, and she barely reacts. You flirt with someone in front of her, and she doesn't even seem bothered. And many men celebrate this moment. They think, finally, no more drama. But here's the truth. A woman who has stopped reacting hasn't become calmer. She's become emotionally disconnected. Because anger still means she cares. Frustration still means she's invested. But indifference means she's already accepted the ending. Sign 3. She becomes easy to be with. The third sign is when she suddenly becomes very easy to be with. No complaints, no requests, no expectations. Everything becomes simple, too simple. Most men think, she's finally relaxed. She's finally accepting me as I am. But that's not what's happening. She's not accepting you. She's releasing you. Because when a woman truly believes in a relationship, she invests in it. She challenges you. She pushes you to grow. She expects more from you because she sees a future worth building. But when that vision disappears, the effort disappears with it. Suddenly, she stops asking for things, stops challenging you, stops expecting anything at all. And the reason is simple. You don't demand effort from someone you no longer see in your future. So when she becomes easy, it might not mean she's happy. It might mean she's already emotionally checking out. Sign 4. She starts building a life without you. The fourth sign is subtle but devastating. She begins creating a life that doesn't include you. New hobbies you didn't know about. New routines. New friends you've never met. New experiences she doesn't bother sharing. At first, it seems harmless. After all, independence is healthy in relationships. But this is different. Because when a woman is emotionally connected to you, she naturally wants to include you in her world. She shares things with you. She invites you into her experiences. She wants you to be part of her life story. But when that sharing stops, distance begins. She's not necessarily trying to hurt you. She's not even trying to make you jealous. She's simply preparing for a life where you are no longer central to it. She's mentally building the next chapter, one where you're not part of the story. Sign 5. Her eyes change. The fifth sign is something you'll feel before you can explain it. Her eyes change. When a woman is emotionally connected to you, you can see it in the way she looks at you. There's warmth, curiosity, affection. There's a softness that says, I see you, and I choose you. But when she checks out emotionally, that look disappears. Her eyes become distant, neutral, almost polite. She looks at you the same way she might look at a stranger. Across the dinner table, you notice it. When she glances at her phone instead of holding your gaze, you feel it. Even when she says, I love you, something feels different. Technically, the words are the same, but the emotion behind them is gone. And most men ignore this feeling because they don't trust their instincts. But your instincts are powerful. When her eyes go cold, her heart has usually been gone for a long time. Conclusion. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. A woman rarely checks out because she's heartless. She checks out because she tried. She asked for connection, for presence, for effort, for emotional attention. And over time, she felt unheard. So eventually she stops asking, stops fighting, stops hoping. And by the time you notice the distance, she has already been screaming in silence for months. That's why awareness matters. Because the man who notices these signs early, the man who listens, the man who chooses to show up emotionally before it's too late, is the man she never has to leave. So the real question isn't, has she checked out? The real question is, are you paying attention before she does? And if you want to understand attraction, psychology, and relationships on a deeper level, subscribe to the Magnet Code. Because here, we don't teach tricks, we teach mindset.